पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्ता स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। Everybody all together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki Jai. Sorry, Hare Krishna. So yesterday we read chapter 10, and we concluded chapter 10 where Krishna describes his opulences. In text 42 of chapter 10, Lord Krishna states, Atava bahuni tena kim yatena tavarjuna vishtabhyaham idam krishnam ekam shena stito jagat. But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, pervade and support the entire universe. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 From text 3 of chapter 11, we can understand that Arjuna is convinced that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But for some reason, he still requests the Lord to show us and display his Vishwarup Darshan or his Virat Rup form, which is the universal form. Arjuna asks for this not for himself, because from text 1 of chapter 11, Arjuna says, Moho yam vigato mama, which means he is freed from illusion. This means that Arjuna, the only reason he is requesting this display of Krishna's universal form is for two main reasons. Firstly, because in the future, in Kali Yuga, this age of hypocrisy and horror, humans and all of us living entities, we may not appreciate and realize that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And therefore, if Krishna displays this universal form, it is guaranteed and there is no doubt that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Secondly, by showing this form, it creates a criteria that if any other living entity claims to be the Supreme Personality of Godhead, if he claims to be the maintainer, the creator, and the destroyer of the world, and he claims to be all-knowing and omnipotent, if he cannot display this Vishwarup Darshan or this Virat Rup or Kal Rup, we can understand that he is bogus and he is not a real incarnation of the Lord. So, from in text 3, Arjuna states, Evam etadyata tatvam atmanam parameshvara drashtumichchami te rupam eshvaram purushottama. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. This form of Lord Krishna is a temporary material form. But as Vaishnavas, we can understand that the real form, or the transcendental form, and the spiritual, eternal form of the Lord is his two-armed form with a flute in his hand. And this form of Krishna is not easily attainable. Even though Arjun was only Arjun, and I think Sanjaya and a few others were able to see this Virat Rup form of Krishna, not many people are able to view and see this divine form, two-armed form of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. And the only way we can see and see this form of the Lord and take darshan is by unalloyed devotion and kindness and bhakti. Only by bhakti we can take darshan of this form of the Lord. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada states in the last verse of this chapter, everybody please repeat after me. Mat karma, mat karma, mat karma, kvin mat paramo, mat bhakta, sangha varjitaha, nirveraha, sarva bhuteshu, yaha sama, eti pandava. Mat karma krit. Everybody, mat karma krit. Engaged in doing my work.
Engaged in doing my work.
Mat parama.
Mat parama.
Considering me the supreme.
Considering me the supreme.
Mat bhaktaha.
Mat bhaktaha.
Engaged in my devotional service.
Engaged in my devotional
Sangha
service.
varjitaha.
Sangha.
Freed from the contamination of fruitive activities.
Free from the contamination of fruitive activities
And mental speculation.
and mental speculation.
Nirveraha.
Nirveraha.
Without an enemy.
Without an enemy.
Sarva bhuteshu.
Sarva bhuteshu.
Among all living entities.
Amongst all living entities.
Yaha.
Yaha.
One who.
One who.
Saha.
Sah.
He. Ma. Unto me.
Unto me.
Eti. Comes. Pandava. O son of Pandu.
O son.
Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Rajit Mahajan Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
My dear Arjun, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contaminations of fruitive activities and mental speculation, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Anyone who wants to approach the supreme of all the personalities of Godhead on the Krishna Lok planet in the spiritual sky and be intimately connected with the supreme personality, Krishna, must take this formula as stated by the Supreme himself. Therefore, this verse is considered to be the essence of the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita is a book directed to the conditioned souls who are engaged in the material world with the purpose of lording it over. Sorry, my English teacher is here too. Who are engaged in the material world with the purpose of lording it over nature and who do not know the real spiritual life. The Bhagavad Gita is meant to show how one can understand his spiritual existence and his eternal relationship with the supreme spiritual personality, and to teach one how to go back home, back to God. Now here, in this verse, which clearly explains the process by which one can attain success in his spiritual activity, devotional service. As far as work is concerned, one should transfer his energy entirely to Krishna conscious activities, as stated in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Srila Prabhupada continues. In summary, the universal form of Krishna, which is a contemporary manifestation, and the form of time which devours everything, and even the form of Vishnu, four-handed, have all been exhibited by Krishna. Thus, Krishna is the origin of all these manifestations. It is not that Krishna is a manifestation of the original Vishvarup or Vishnu. Krishna is the origin of all forms. There are hundreds and thousands of Vishnu, but for a devotee, no form of Krishna is more important but the original form. Two-handed Shyam Sundar. Shri Shri Radharanath ki. In the Brahma Samhita, it is stated that those who are attached to the Shyamsundar form of Krishna in love and devotion can see him always within the heart and cannot see anything else. One should understand, therefore, that the purport of this 11th chapter is that the form of Krishna is essential and supreme. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki, the universal form of the Lord ki. So I'm going to hand over to Raja. She was speaking in the whole time. I think I was over time. I only had 15 minutes. So here is Raja. Hari Bol. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki. If there's any questions, then not Krishna Prabhu, I hope Krishna helps you find the answers.